In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main home screen. This is your Workspace hub where you can access all of your existing boards and create new ones. From here, look toward the area where you can add a new board. This is usually near the top of the screen. Click the option that lets you start from a template rather than from scratch. Using a template will save time and give you a solid financial structure right away. When the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the keyword related to the financial template you want to use. As you type, Monday.com will filter the templates and show you options that match. When you see the financial board template you want, click it to open the details page. On that page, select Use Template. Monday.com will then generate a new board in your workspace based on that layout. Once your new financial board loads, it will usually open in the main table view. If it doesn't, make sure you click on the table view so you can see all rows and columns clearly. Here, each row represents an item, such as an invoice, an expense, or a revenue entry. Go ahead and click into the first few items in the list, one by one. This lets you get familiar with how the data is structured, what each column means, and how the information is formatted. Now start customizing the actual data. Click into the amount fields, such as where you see preset values like 7,000, 10,000, 3,000, or 3,500. Replace those placeholder numbers with your own real financial figures. As you update amounts, notice how they stay aligned in the same currency format, which keeps everything consistent. Next, adjust the descriptive and reference fields. Click into any highlighted text fields and change them to match your transaction names, invoice numbers, or internal codes. Then, update the date fields by clicking on entries like the sample March date and choosing the correct dates from the calendar. This is important for tracking cash flow and due dates. You can also assign responsibility. For any person column, click on the cell and assign the right team member who owns that financial item, whether it's collecting a payment or approving an expense. Update status columns as well by clicking on labels like paid and changing them to reflect the current state of each item. To add a new transaction, scroll to the bottom of the group and click on New Item. Give it a clear name, then fill in the amount, date, owner, and status just like you did with the existing rows. If your board has different views, such as Main Table and Timeline, switch between them by clicking on their names near the top of the board. The main table view is best for detailed editing, while the timeline view helps you visualize your financial activity over time. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully customized financial board in Monday.com that reflects your actual numbers, owners, and statuses, and you'll be able to manage and track your finances in a clear, structured way.